Up for sale is my Freshwater 1973 Mercury 50 horsepower outboard engine with a 20-inch shaft. I recently checked the compression and the numbers are recorded below the timing decal. The complete water pump kit was installed as well. The cowling still has the sound shield and fits like a glove. Like many of the older Mercury outboards, the internal harness needed to be replaced, and it was. The midsection turns freely and the engine can be easily tilted up. The engine starts right up and shifts into gear. If you have any questions, my contact information is listed with any updates in the description section. I'm an old Mercury collector and have several other engines that will also be posted online for sale.
Thank you for watching this brief video. Please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave a comment. I usually respond to comments in 24 to 48 hours. Have a great day today and every day.